Formatting and optimizing the content of your emails is crucial for improving email deliverability and quality. In this tutorial, we will explore various strategies and best practices to help you optimize your email content and formatting. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your emails are well received by subscribers and have a higher chance of reaching the inbox. 1. Craft a compelling subject line. The subject line is the first thing that recipients see in their inbox. It should be concise, engaging, and relevant to the email content. Avoid using all caps or excessive punctuation, as they may trigger spam filters. 2. Personalize your emails. Address recipients by their first name in the salutation to make the email feel more personalized. Use dynamic content to insert the recipient's name and other relevant information throughout the email, increasing engagement and connection. 3. Use a clear and concise email structure. Break down your email into sections with clear headings. Use bullet points or numbered lists to make the content more scannable and easy to read. Keep paragraphs short and use white space to enhance readability. 4. Create engaging and relevant content. Ensure that your email content is valuable, interesting, and relevant to your target audience. Tailor your messaging to their needs and preferences. Use a conversational tone to make the email more relatable and engaging. 5. Utilize images and visuals. Include relevant images, infographics, or videos to make your emails visually appealing. However, avoid using excessive visuals that may slow down email loading or trigger spam filters. Optimize images for faster loading times. 6. Mobile optimize your emails. With the increasing use of smartphones, it's important to ensure that your emails are mobile-friendly. Test your email templates on various devices and email clients to ensure that they display properly and are easy to read on smaller screens. 7. Optimize for different email clients. Different email clients may render emails differently. Test your email templates in popular email clients, such as Gmail, Outlook, and Apple Mail, to ensure consistency and proper display across platforms. 8. Pay attention to text formatting. Use a font size and type that are easy to read on all devices. Stick to common fonts such as Arial, Helvetica, or Verdana. Avoid using excessive formatting such as multiple font colors or extravagant styles, as they may trigger spam filters. 9. Include a clear call to action. Every email should have a clear call to action, CTA, that tells recipients what you want them to do next. Use actionable language and consider placing the CTA above the folding line so that it is immediately visible. 10. Test and analyze your emails. Regularly test different elements of your email campaigns, such as subject lines, content length, and visuals, to identify what works best for your audience. Analyze email open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to refine and improve your campaigns over time. In conclusion, optimizing email content and formatting is essential for improving email deliverability and quality. By following the guidelines mentioned above, you can create engaging and impactful emails that resonate with your subscribers and drive better results.